What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2024 Chevy Trax. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement cabin air filters if you're in need. So the cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. And if you notice, this glove box kind of just bounces open instead of opening slowly. And typically what you have on a glove box to prevent that is a dampening latch. And you can even see where it would normally attach right here where my finger's on. Now this vehicle has not had its first oil change yet, and it has what appears to be the original cabin air filter, so it doesn't look like it's been serviced. I don't know if this dampening latch was just accidentally left off at the factory or if they're just not including them on the 2024 models. So let me know in the comments what you guys are seeing on yours. If you do have a dampening latch on there, this is a very common style. You'll just kind of get your finger around it like this and it'll pull off of there. And then what we need to do is lower this glove box, and there's two stops that are holding it up. You can see my finger on the one right here, and there's another one just like it on the other side. So what I'm going to do is push in towards the center of the glove box, and it's going to allow that stop to clear. And we'll come over here and do the same thing. And if you have both your hands free, it's easier to do these both at the same time. Pull or push towards the center till that stop clears, and then it's going to allow the glove box to come down like that. And then taking a look behind here, we see this item that says filter access door, and there's two clips, one on each side. They just push in like this, and then that door will pull off. Go over here, push that clip in. Once we get our access door off, we see the actual cabin air filter right here. And when you put your new one in, make sure you're paying attention to these airflow arrows. You want your airflow arrows pointing down towards the floor. And then we'll slide our new filter in, again, with our airflow arrows pointing down. And then we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So we'll grab the access door. And if we look on the back of this access door, you can see there's kind of these long cylindrical tabs. What I'm going to do is line that tab up with this hole right here. We'll kind of do that for both sides. Click that into place, make sure it's all the way on there, and then we'll put our glove box back up. And if your glove box has come off on the bottom, those hinges, just line them up where they need to be. And then we're just going to pick up on the glove box till those stops clear and it holds itself up. And then if you do have a dampening latch, go ahead and put that back on. That'll just push back on there. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it.